What's up YouTube, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a new video series that I'm going to be doing over the next several weeks having to do with passive income or recurring or residual income, depending on how you look at things. All of these videos will actually fit neatly into a playlist that I'm putting together called Passive Income or Make Money Online Passively or whatever. I'm going to make the playlist, and this is video number one of that playlist. And so the videos that will be following after this that will fit neatly into that passive or residual income playlist are the following, and I'll actually have these in the description below so that you guys can leave comments and let me know what videos you're most interested in seeing. They are the following: affiliate marketing, network marketing, or multi-level marketing, bringing an app to market, starting a YouTube channel, streaming video game sessions on Twitch, dropshipping on Shopify or eBay, T-shirt design using Amazon merch or merch by Amazon, and or Teespring or Etsy, those sort of things, becoming a silent partner in a business or investor in a business, creating music, earning royalties, or buying music rights and then earning royalties from those. Affiliate marketing with a niche website where you can find these websites where you can buy them from so that they're already turnkey, they're already generating income. Generally, you spend a little bit more on these websites than you would make probably in the first year or the first 6 months. But the goal is to take these websites and then optimize them to make money quickly. Next, selling stock photography, what websites to use if you have a hobby or you're a professional photographer, where you can sell stock photography. I spent 10 years as a wedding photographer, a portrait photographer, and so in my off time, I would go take what I deemed to be pretty cool pictures and then upload them to some of these websites and made some sales. It wasn't anything earth-shattering, but if you dedicate time to this can be something that pays you in the long run, passively or residually. Rent rooms or rent your home on Airbnb, Kindle direct publishing, blogging, creating digital products, be it courses or ebooks, renting your car out on Turo, car wrap advertising, so basically taking your car, getting it wrapped, and then getting paid to drive your car around, podcasting, Instagram, running an Instagram account and getting paid via shoutouts or sponsored posts or selling merchandise through the link in your bio. I've done this, I've had some success with it, and it's definitely a very fun way. I'll show you how to actually not even have to create your own content for your Instagram posts. This is something that I had a lot of fun with. You can literally use other people's stuff, and it gets to the point where they literally tag you and want you to use their stuff. And in doing that, you create an audience, you create a community, and that community in turn ends up buying the things you're selling, and then you get paid. Next, Fiverr or Upwork outsourcing, selling artwork prints, rental properties, having your own rental properties and just making recurring passive income that way. Selling curriculum on Amazon. Basically, if you're a teacher or an educator and you have your degree in that, you can create your own curriculums and sell them on Amazon. There's some other websites. We'll go over that in that particular video. Sell on Amazon handcrafted, basically like Etsy, but Amazon's version. And then sell Lightroom or Photoshop presets on Etsy. And there's actually other websites you can do that too. If you're a photographer and you create your own presets, you can literally export those presets, upload them onto Etsy and other websites, and people can go buy them for $10 and you get a cut. It is a competitive market. It's one that I dabbled in. I think I made 2 sales, but there is money to be made out there if you're consistent and if you optimize those listings. Let me know what you guys think of these ideas. I'm really excited about kicking this new video series off. I don't really have a verified title necessarily for this. I guess we would just call it Make Passive Money Online. And I'm sorry if that sounds a little bit clickbaity. It's supposed to sound a little clickbaity, but also it's supposed to reflect some truth as well. We know that there's no true passive income where you just sit on the beach and rake in tons of money without doing some work first. It is definitely possible to get to that point, but it takes some work to get there. And then once those things are up and running, a lot of these ideas will continue to pay you well into the future with very little monitoring or maintenance. So that is what I have for you guys today. Like I said, all of these are listed in the description below. And so if you want to submit a request for a video you're particularly excited about, then please definitely jump into the comments and drop that. And those will be put on my priority list to make first. But hey, listen, with these videos, I'm not an expert in all of these. In fact, some of these I've never even tried, but I've researched. Basically, I wasn't sure if I wanted to jump into them. However, some of these I have tried and I've been successful at, and I'm currently having success in some of these. So I just want to pass this stuff along and share what I know. The things that I have not actually ventured into, those will be a little bit lighter videos with probably not as much information. However, I will pass resources and other video channels and ideas on to you. I'm just trying to spark something in your mind so that you can get out of the rat race, right? So that you can find something that you love to do, that you are interested in, and eventually break away from that 9-to-5 if that is what you are trying to do. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative to you. I look forward to hearing your comments. If you haven't already liked this video and you did like it, please hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. And I will see you guys tomorrow on the next video.